Welcome back. Since my research deals with virtual humans, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use a virtual human in Unity. I'm going to go ahead and open a pre-existing project that already has a realistic character included. His name is Victor. He comes out of the box with Faceware, which is another software that I will demonstrate shortly. As you can see, we have a similar scene to the one that we saw in the last video, but with Victor's head in the center instead of a cube. In the Inspector tab, you can see the Faceware script is attached to Victor, and there are variables for the port and host from which we are streaming facial animation data to Victor. We also have a camera and a directional light, much like in the previous project that we saw. We have some folders in our assets folder that include scripts, like we saw in the previous video, and other items needed for this demonstration, such as the object file of Victor and some code to dictate how expressions in Faceware Studio match to expressions on virtual human. So I'm going to go ahead and open Faceware Studio. The ideal position for the camera is slightly under the nose, and as you can see, Faceware has just recognized some facial features such as my eyebrows and lips. Currently, I'm on the Stream to Client tab, and the client will be Unity. I've just switched to the tab that dictates the webcam that I'm using and the resolution. Usually lower resolution is preferred for faster tracking. I've got the facial tracking mode set as a stationary camera instead of a mounted head cam, and the rest isn't really relevant. Now I'm going to go ahead, and you can see that I'm streaming on port 500, and within Faceware Studio they have a model of Victor that will mirror my movements. Now that I have tracking established, you can see that there are parameters that I can adjust to refine how sensitive Faceware is to different motions of my facial features, such as eyebrows, eyes, etc. There are additional features available for more expressions, but I'm not going to get into that in this video. Now, if I go ahead and I stream to client and I bring up the Unity project we saw previously, and I go ahead and hit play, I can stream my facial motion to Unity in a live manner. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. I can go ahead and stream my facial motions to Unity to Victor in real time.